Ever wondered why we forget what we studied just a few days ago? So the key to a lasting memory is not studying harder but smarter. We all want to remember what we study, but often information just slips away, right? Each time we learn, our brain forms synaptic connections, and over time, without reinforcement, these connections weaken. But with repetition at spaced intervals, these synapses strengthen, embedding information deeper into our long-term memory. Think of it like a building muscle. Repetition with rest in between yields the strongest results, right? This is the forgetting curve. This is introduced by Hermann Ebbinghaus. So this concept illustrates that memory fades away over time unless actively revived. But here's the catch. With each review, this decay slows down. So active recall is the act of actively stimulating memory recall during the learning process, enhancing neural pathways. So the more senses and emotions involved in recall, the stronger the memory becomes. A study from the University of South Florida demonstrated that spaced repetition activates the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex and the ventrolateral prefrontal cortex, the brain regions associated with effective memory processing. So by strategically spacing out reviews, we are essentially hacking our brain to move information from short-term memory to long-term memory. How do we use this theory practically? So you can use flashcards, and when you know a card after studying, you can move it to the later review file, and if you don't know it, it stays in the sooner review pile. This way you are constantly testing and spacing your recall. So here you can use apps like Anki, Quizlet or SuperMemo. So they use algorithms to determine the optimal time for you to review material again and again. Also you can use the chunking method. So here you can break down complex information into smaller digestible chunks. Review each chunk using spaced repetition so that you will remember it for a longer period of time. And also neuroscience has revealed that sleep plays a very important role in consolidating memories. Pairing spaced repetition with a good night's sleep ensures the brain processes and stores new knowledge faster. So you can embrace spaced repetition backed by the power of neuroscience to elevate your memory and learning. It's a game changer that bridges the gap between forgetting and forever remembering. Are you fascinated by the science of memory? Share this video with your friends and don't forget to comment below. Follow me for more important videos like this. I'm Dr. Priya.